All right, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm not near my truck right now because I decided to record every single I have like 7 videos that I've done already of like the process of the truck, and I decided never to make an intro for any of them. I never really finished them because it's like fucking 200 degrees outside whenever I'm working on it, so I just get hella irritated. But today we're gonna be installing a 12-inch screen and the full digital cluster for climate control. Let me show you guys the old one. All right, as you can see, here's the old one right here, the 8-inch display. We got the computer behind it. We got the old screen right here, and we got the old climate control with the drive mode options. I'm gonna be showing you guys the process right now, and then after when it's done, I'm gonna finish this video today. But for the screen to be on, I need to get a wire, and it's coming in on Monday. I already ordered it. It's $50, but that's it. And I'll tell you guys everything you need at the end of the video. So here's pretty much everything that I took out, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to take all this out and put the new one in. All right, so then you need to unbolt these bolts down here, those two. As you can see, it's on here, right? Those 2 bolts, and then you need to unbolt these 2 bolts right here. You just pop these clips out right here, because you need to get to the bolt. You can't really see it, but or you kind of can. It's right behind there, so I'm trying to figure out how to take this out right now, but it shouldn't be too difficult. I just need to like pull it out a little bit, but from there it should come out. From there it gets pretty simple. You just kind of like forcefully pull, move this around a little bit to fuck with it, just to get the bolt out from right there. Then it will just be the screen right here, which is right here. Just gotta take these 4 bolts out and the bolts I was talking about earlier, and I think that's it to put it on. And obviously you need to put those ones. So. All right, now we got the screen, the bottom part out. It's pretty easy. You gotta just fucking mess with it. Take all these little things out. Gotta take this off, this off, this off. Unbolt it. Then we can start bolting on the new one. Yay! So honestly, it's not that bad. I'm new to this too. It's very kind of scary to work with, but it's pretty simple. Not too bad because everything's plug and play, so it's not like super scary to work with. Yeah, let me take the rest off. All right, so I put the new computer in for the Raptor screen. Now I just need to bolt it in. Then I need to get the screws for this. I got a crack in it. Screws for this one, and then everything could just be put back on. All right now we're currently recording 2 white trucks. This one has a Raptor front end. They already recorded mine. See right there. All right, so as you see, everything's installed. You may notice a big ass hole right there, but that's because I haven't got my center console. You can get the ones where it's just like these digital and stuff like that, but that one's gonna go down like the ones that have this still have. But I do want a center console, so I decided to just sorry, I decided to just go like all out for it. So I did install the computer as you saw in the video. And that is going to be the easiest way to install it, because on the other one you have to cut wires and shit. But if you're not like an electrician, or have a lot of knowledge in that, it's going to be pretty difficult. And as me being a beginner, it's not really something that I'm good at, or I want to even try, because I don't want to fuck anything up. So that is going to be your best bet. As you can see, the screen is not on, and that is for a reason, because I am missing 1 wire. When you see me install it, I don't know if I showed exactly, but I only plugged in 1 wire, the pink wire. You need the other wire, which is the power wire. But all the music works and everything. All these dials work. Obviously, I don't know if dual climate control works, because I tried it before, and it kind of just turns the air off. But I only tried it for a couple seconds. But everything's good on it. I love how it looks. Now it makes me want to get a better steering wheel and the digital dash. So I think that is going to be next for the interior. But yeah, overall the install was pretty easy. All the buttons glow, everything works. So you could plug in, if you want the climate control, I'm pretty sure you can plug it into your original one and it will just show up. But if you want to do it right, and you want to do it the easier way, it is probably going to cost a little bit more money. But if you want to do, like I said, easier and right, get a different computer module, the PCM. I got mine off of Raptor, which I'm very grateful for. My friend actually hooked me up with the screen and the digital climate for, I believe, $600, and that it was with the PCM and a lot of the 1 wire I need it also. I need the other wire, but you know, pretty much almost everything that you need for it. So the only negative part about this is that I can't turn off traction control. As you can see, these are all the Raptor ones, but I can't turn off traction control, so I do have to get that wired up eventually, because I can only, this works, these work. Obviously the camera's not going to turn on right now because fuck, the screen's not on. But yeah, everything works. All the sensors are still good. It was a pretty easy install. If you're like a beginner to it, you got it with minimal tools. Honestly, you don't even need a clipper remover. Just use your hand. Honestly, I highly recommend just using your hand. It'd probably be better. You don't fuck anything up. But yeah, overall the install was pretty easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video of doing it, because a lot of the videos I've seen doing it, it was really confusing me and like kind of hurting my head. So I kind of just fucking went for it. Had a little help from the people at the shop, but you know, we got it done. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any more questions about this. I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll post probably like on Instagram whenever the screen's done, so if you guys want to see how the screen is, because I haven't like messed with any of the computer stuff, just straight plug and play. So once that turns on Monday, I'll go ahead and show you guys, and if you guys have any more questions about that, you can just text me on Instagram, or comment on TikTok, or comment on Instagram. That's probably gonna be the best thing to get a hold of me, on commenting on Instagram. But yeah, just let me know for any information, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.